It's been a while since we did the last update on the Nasdaq 100. At that time, it was the market was pretty much trading here, and I said from these levels we could probably push to the downside as long as trade below this level here. Since then, the market did indeed go lower and has since then pushed upwards. You can see here following this candle how the RSI pushed above the 50 line, indicating that possibly we would have commenced a bullish trend. And we did indeed go higher at that point and rested here below the 200 moving average. And the 200 moving average is really important. Last time we broke below it strongly was here in the beginning of 2022. Back then, we spent roughly 376 days below it, and each time we were heading into it, the market was rejecting it until it broke on the other side. And after that, the 200 moving average acted as support. So you can see we broke here in January, and then here in March it bounced, and then 2 weeks later it bounced again, and then pushed higher here on October 30th, and then again bounced up from August 2024 and September 2024. So as we're now above it, it's likely that the 200 moving average is gonna be supportive. And don't want to get too excited, but last time we broke it, we pushed up with 83%. You can see as well here, at least historically, as long as we're above it and we don't have like COVID-19 or similar situations, it tends to guide the price very well. So as we're looking at this today, from a technical point of view, if we would have a correction, I think people are going to use that as an opportunity to buy. There are a few levels to watch. So in the very short term, we're looking at something like Friday's low. So this is Friday, and as long as trade above 19,983, I think if we would move towards this level here, which is 20,394, I think people will look to buy. And the risk-reward ratio of something like this is very good. If this would be the risk and we reclaim the all-time high, we will get a 3.86% risk-to-return ratio in the Nasdaq 100. What's your take? Is it time to be bullish, or is this it? Is this the peak and we're going to head lower?